So there's not a lot of spots in retail where you see 27% revenue growth. That's what you posted, but there were some complaints afterwards that you did not raise guidance. Tell us a little bit about what you saw and how you interpret the stock price reaction.
Yeah, we don't really pay that much attention to the day-to-day stock price. Our approach is we put out very strong guidance and we're busy executing against it. I don't see that many companies that put out 24 to 28% revenue growth guidance, and that's what we've done and that's what we're executing against.
Is the point that you're making that you are managing to grow market share in a slowing overall category? Is that right?
Absolutely. We've been taking share. I think we grew share to 4.4% of the market, up from 3.8% last year. And it really is about our overall business model and winning with the key consumers that matter in this category.
So give us a little more color on the category, which on the conference call you said is going through a bit of a slow spot. We also saw that in the Macy's call, for instance. They called out beauty as a particular weak spot. I know you're not in Macy's, but what's happening with beauty trends right now?
Yeah. So, I'd tell you, if you looked over the past couple decades, color cosmetics is one of the great categories in consumer. Women love the category. They love the new products. The level of engagement is incredible. But you'll have periods from time to time where you may have a little bit of a soft spot. So we saw that in late 2013, beginning of 2014, where the category was flat for a couple quarters. It came roaring back at the end of 2014. Over the last couple of years, has been really strong. We see a couple quarters where the category has been a little soft. I would tell you there's no real fundamentals from a consumer standpoint that would account for it. In fact, for us, it's a tremendous opportunity to continue to take share, because we appeal to the core makeup enthusiasts of the category. These are women for whom makeup is not a discretionary purchase. They love everything about it, and we continue to give them high quality new products at an extraordinary value, and that's a winning formula in the marketplace.
I know the cheaper price point has certainly attracted a younger demographic. You recently announced that Walmart has chosen you as a key priority brand. What does that mean exactly?
Yeah, so we've been in Walmart for a few years. We're now in almost all of their doors, and what they've seen is this great consumer that we bring in, this young, diverse makeup enthusiast, plus all the new products that we bring them, they really love, and they can see it help grow their category. So every time Walmart goes and touches one of their stores, E.L.F. ends up getting more prominent placement. It's a brand that really can help grow their category, and so they've awarded us with 20% more space this year, as did Target with 50% more space, many of the same dynamics in terms of the consumers and the new products that we bring, including a very different model in terms of how we go to market. Having started as an e-commerce company, our ability to take innovation, launch it online. We have about 2 or 3 launches a week, and then go to our retail partners with items that are already validated and proven. They really, really appreciate it.
You've emphasized a couple of times that the makeup enthusiast is your customer. Is that a self-limiting thing? In other words, how many are there, or is every woman becoming a makeup enthusiast?
Says the man with 2 daughters.
Well, yeah, that's right. Well, we have, makeup enthusiasts represent about 1/3 of all women who use cosmetics, but they represent over half of the total category dollar sales. So they're an incredibly engaged consumer. And the great thing about us is we know how to engage them. We do things like our Beautyscape event where we get up-and-coming beauty influencers, and they are some of our best advocates in terms of really telling about the E.L.F. products and how great they are, and our ability to continue to engage them really is quite differentiated in the marketplace.
Finally, Tarang, you mentioned, we talked about Walmart and Target as well. Characterize the pricing pressure that's coming from some of those retail partners.
Well, for us, I've heard in the market there's pricing pressure, but we don't face it as much, mainly because we have such an extraordinary value in the marketplace as it is. If you think about our average unit retails are usually under $4. So we're such an incredible value relative to anyone else that I think they really appreciate our efficiency in going to market and having these great products at this great value.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.